I'm here at the couches at the Boat Harbour Beach Caravan Park, and I'll just show you what I can see. This is a multi-level caravan park. There's all sorts of parks on built-up platforms for you to park your van, tents, rooftop tents, anything you like. So you pick your own site and we'll go from there. So this is the upper terrace. The second level terrace there. There's another site there, another site there. Some of these sites you might have to reverse up to drop back into. One more site there, and another one over beside that fence, and a couple of small terraced sites there for potentially tents or rooftops. Another couple of powered sites here. All the powered sites have water. One of the units you can hire. That's where our zone is living at the moment. I'm standing on here. Another powered site there. Another unit. And there is another unit down there as well. Toilets and showers are down on the lower level, as you can see. Small laundry with one washer and dryer. 3 toilets here, fairly deep, as you can see. 3 showers here. Oops. All showers have heating. They are coin operated, $1 for 3 minutes. Around the back of the building here, there is a small but well equipped camp kitchen. And around the other side of that building is a wheelchair toilet and shower facility. When you arrive, there is no office here, so you pull up to this board and ring either of those 2 phone numbers and someone will come down from the house and check you in. There is the site map with legend. Black is cabins, green is powered sites, brown is unpowered sites.